Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this distance of nearest cell having one problem of GFG. This is very important BFS problem that you will majorly seen. So here we are given a binary grid of n into m size, n rows, m columns. Each grid is binary, means either contain 0 or either contain 1. Okay guys, so we have to find the distance of nearer one, like suppose this is a grid, okay, or suppose there is some block in a grid. This is a very big grid, suppose this is block which contains 0. So we have to find out the distance, the minimum distance from this cell to any other cell which contain 1, and that distance is basically suppose it is a comma b, it is c comma d, means row number a, column number b, row number c, column number d. Then the distance between 0 and 1 is a minus c. A minus is absolute, okay, means positive minus 2 will become 2, 2 will become 2, b minus d. Okay, because this c d can be here, occur here, can be occur here, can be anywhere. Okay, so we will take absolute value a minus c plus b minus d. This is the distance. And suppose, okay, this is the minimum distance would be like, suppose there are many one here, one occur here, one occur here, one occur here, then it can contain one of distance of this, but it will take the minimum of that minimum distance from each one. Okay guys, here we can see this is the binary grid given to me. Then for this 0, the minimum one is this one and this one. Okay, just a minute, I just use marker. Okay, so for this one we can take either this or either this, both are at one distance. Similarly for this one, it already contain one, so distance will become 0, here 1, again 0. Now for this one we have this one, for this 0 0, this one, this one, this one, this one, 0 0. Okay, so this is why this binary grid will be look like this. Okay guys, so now how do we want to solve it? So guys, first of all what we will do, like, this is just a simple approach where I am not going to tell you like what I am doing. This is a very simple easy problem. You just need to go to the logic, because here dry run the problem will be a bigger task, because it is BFS that will contain so many states. Okay guys, so first of all what we will do, we will change this matrix into a matrix like, suppose x is a very big number, suppose we will gonna to change it in like this. Why I'm changing this I will tell, just look at what I am doing. And we will take a queue of pair where we will store the all the index of this one, index of this one, all the ones, means total 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total 6 index, and the sum of them I am taking this 0 1 0 1, and other one is 0 comma 2. Okay, similarly 6 more, 4 more index. I'm not writing this, so index of 4 4 1. Now guys, here one thing is common, all the ones will have distance is equal to 0. So what we are doing, all the ones will contain distance is equal to 0, and all the zeros means they have to put up the minimum distance from 1. So what we will do, this x is a very big number, that is 1e8. I am taken 1e8 means 1 then 8 zeros. Okay, 1 million basically I am gonna to put there. And each time we are taken this one from this index 0 comma 1, this is current, and move in all, or try to move in all four direction, try to move in all four direction, and we'll gonna to look. Okay guys, now here, okay, I am telling this after doing this. This is the current index from where I need to traverse, means this is the index where I have already put on 1, where I have already put 1. So from here I cannot go there, this direction is blocked, I cannot go there, means I can go there but there is already 0, already 0. So why I, like, if I gone here from here, then that distance will be equal to 1, but it is already contain 0, so it will remain 0. Means I don't need to go from this one, I can only still here because I already have less than distance. Okay, what I am trying to do, this is one, this is one. Like for this block contain the minimum distance from one is either two possibility, it will contain 0 for this, or it will contain 1 from this one. So it will take 0. Why 0? Because 0 is minimum. Okay guys, so it will take minimum distance. Suppose take a other grid, just for example, this is just a logical problem. If once you got it, then means you got it. Hmm, okay, suppose exclude this. Suppose here one already, we don't care about it. 0, suppose 0 is here. So now how our matrix change matrix will look like? 0 x is 1e8 in our case. X maximum distance already 0, x. So here that distance is equal to 1. That distance is equal to 1. So all the nearest matrix to it, all the nearer, or the all the four nearer cell from this particular cell will contain distance is equal to 1. Why 1? Because the cost of putting 1 there is 0, and if we want to put 0 1 in next index, then the cost will be cost till here plus 1. Okay, this index cannot possible. This x is very big, so it will compare. Either I have to put x or 0 plus 1. So I will put 1 here, I will put 1 here. Now in same iteration, I am gonna to check this 0 as well. This 0 will say I can move 4 direction. I can move to 4 direction. It will move there 0 plus 1. 1 already put there. Already 1 put there. This will contain 1 because x is bigger. This will contain 1. So how our matrix will look like? Our matrix now is look like our matrix currently is look like this: 0 1 1 0 1 x 1 x. This one just erase them. Okay, now we know we cannot move anywhere further from these zeros. Okay, because all the cells from these 0 we can reach, we have already reached this 4 cell. Now from this one I can reach here, from this one I can reach here, I can reach here, and I can from here I can reach there. Okay guys, now suppose there is some other cell, like suppose this, then it will be 0. This is original cell 1 0 0. Suppose for a minute now this will be x. Very logical problem this is. This will be x, this will be x. Now when we are seeing these 0, these two became 1, these two became 1 because these two are neighbor. These two became 1. Okay guys, now here suppose now okay, so now suppose there is a cell from which we can reach there. Like if now in next iteration we are gonna to traverse these all ones, this one state, because these are the newly added cell. Why? Because these zero distance cell I have already covered. Now I have to traverse these one rank cell, means all the cells in which I can put 1 in distance is equal to 1. Okay guys, so all the cells that are neighbor of these one will gonna to put either 2 or a minimum of already filled value. Like from this one I can reach 4 direction, I can reach 4 direction. This is not valid, it will contain 0 already. So from 1 if we are going to, then answer will be 2, means the cost will be 2. From this cell if I am gonna there, and cost will be 2, but it already contains 0, so it will not gonna update. It already contains 0, it will not gonna update, it will update to 2. It will update to 2. Okay, so minimum distance you can see 1 here, 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, 0 here, 1 here, 2. Okay, so minimum distance will be 2 here, minimum distance will be 2 here, minimum distance will be 2. Okay guys, and now we can see we will traverse all the one cell. From here we can reach 4 direction, it will not gonna traverse because 1 plus 2 is 2. Means if I am gonna from there, then it will contain cost 2, but I already have a cell with cost is equal to 1, so it will remain 1. It will remain 0. It is not possible. It will remain 1. Okay, so now in next iteration I will have all the cell that have distance is equal to 2. Okay guys, so this is how I am doing this. Now you can see this will become a cycle. First of all, we will traverse all 0 cell, then all cell will with the distance is equal to 1, all will distance is equal to 2, then up to. Okay guys, so here first of all in queue I will put all the cell that are at distance is equal to 0 and traverse all the four boundaries. And if like suppose and okay, put the minimum value, it will contain x here. It means x is very big value. From here I will contain there, I will contain there, I will go there, I can go there. Now if I am traversing 0 comma 1, I cannot update it because from 0 my cost will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. I will not update 0. Okay, I will not update 0. This is not possible, but this is x, means I can update this. The minimum of 10 1 is 8 and 1 is 1, so it will gonna update 1. And I will gonna to put this 0 comma 0 in my queue as well. In my queue means there is a new block which I put 1, and now it can open four new boundaries. What four new boundaries? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four new boundaries it opened to me. But I am not gonna to put this and this. Why? Because we are either they are not a valid block or they are not, there is not possible to put one in it. Like for this, no, not possible to put one in it. So this is not a cell with the distance is equal to 1. This is not a cell with the distance is equal to 1. This is the only cell, so I will gonna to put it here. Okay guys, so this is what we are doing with our queue. Okay, so we will traverse all the queue, all the 6 cell of my queue, then all the cell come in my queue that will have distance is equal to 1. Then I will traverse all 1, then all the cell with distance is equal to 2 will come in my queue. Then all the cell with distance is equal to 3 will come in my queue similarly. Okay, and there will be a point when all the, like here, just a minute, give me just a minute. Here 2 will come. Oh, what happens? No problem. Are we going to write down it again? Okay, so this is the cell. This is what it look to me now. Here it will be 1 0 1. This is the cell. At this position you can see all have some values, all have some distance from 1, so my queue will become empty. Means I does not have any cell with the distance greater than 2. Means I will traverse queue for distance equal to 0, for distance is equal to 1, and for distance is equal to 2. But now when I see distance equal to 3 is equal to 3, my queue will become empty, because now when I am going to traverse these two, all four direction, I will traverse all four direction, because these three are the only valid two distance cell. Cannot possible, because after 2 I will gonna to put 3. Minimum of 3 and 1 is 1. I will not gonna update it. Cannot possible, cannot possible. I will not gonna update this. I will not gonna update this, not gonna update this. Cannot possible, not gonna update this. Minimum of 3 and 2 is 2. Not gonna update this, not update, not valid, not valid. So you can see I will not gonna, I will traverse all the 2's, but it is not it is not possible for me to have any cell in my queue. So at distance is equal to 3, my queue will become empty. Okay guys. So either in traversing queue whole matrix again and again, because I know there are some limited number of cells, like here only 3 cells among 1 2 3 4 into 3, among 12 total cells I have only 3 cells of distance is equal to 2. So what I can do in queue, first of all I will put some cells, and I know distance of that cell will be equal to 0. Then again updated queue, I will gonna to use them, access them all in all four boundaries. then these all cell will contain distance is equal to 1, then up to. Okay guys, so I am not going to traverse the complete matrix like from 0 0. I know my queue will contain all the blocks, all the coordinates in my particular time with distance is equal to 0 1 or anything else. I'm gonna to update distance as well. Okay guys, so first of all, n is equal to, okay, so I just put my laptop on charging. So here n it will be the number of rows, m will be the number of columns. I will take q pair indent type. Then for all the blocks, if my vij, it means if my vij is equal to 1, it have some value. If condition will be true, I will gonna to push, means this vij contain 1. I will make it 0, means the minimum distance of 1 from this particular cell is 0 because it already contains 0. Push it in my queue, else while vij will become 1e8, means this is the cell that contains 0. So I have to update this, so I will put a very bigger value, that is 1e8 in my current cell. Now I will take vector of dr. This is a short form. Like how I am gonna to use this, I will gonna to use pair in this, like in pairing, like just a minute, I am gonna tell you in pairing, like how I am gonna, either you can make two array of dx and dy, but this is a simple technique or trick you can say. Like first is minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 first cell. Second one is there is minus 1 comma 0. Second one is 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. Third one is 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0. Fourth one is 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1. Means for any cell x comma y, currently I will gonna to put minus 1 comma 0, means row number decrease, column number remains same upside. 0 comma 1 means row number remains same, column number will increase by 1. 0 comma minus 1 means row number remains same, column decrease by 1. 1 comma 0, row number increase by 1. All the four direction I am going to traverse. Now how I find the coordinate will find at I is x, I plus 1 is y coordinate. I plus 1, I plus 1, I plus 1 will be gives me a pair of xy coordinate, like how much distance I need to add. Now I will take distance is equal to 1, because I know I put all the zero index, all the zero distance blocks or coordinate in my queue. So if from zero distance coordinate I am going somewhere, then it will cost me 1. So my initial distance will be became 1. So now while my q dot size greater than 0, I will take s is equal to q dot size. Then all while s minus minus, then all the blocks of my queue that have that particular uh, that have that particular distance, I will gonna to traverse in a single move, so that I don't need to add distance again and again, or I don't need to take pair of size 3, means pair int comma int to store that distance as well. Okay, that's why I am taken this, because I know at a current particular size, my queue will contain all 0, all 1, then all 2 again and again, like this. Okay guys, so now I will take I comma j. I is my x coordinate, j is my jth means y coordinate, number of column. I will remove that particular coordinates. Now for all the four direction, I will take x is equal to I plus di rj, y is equal to j plus dir j plus 1. I already tell how. Then if this is a valid cell, this is a valid cell, and my distance of vxy greater than current distance, like we reach we reach there with we reach here with 1e8, but from using this 0, because here it is 1, here it is 0, so it will be 1e8. Using this 0 I can reach here in 1, so minimum of this is 1. I will put 1 there. Okay, I will put 1 there. So my vxy will contain distance and q dot and this updated coordinate I will gonna to push in my queue again. Then after traversing my complete queue of that current level, I will gonna to increase my distance, because from 0 if I am going somewhere, then cost is equal to 1. Then after my queue will also update. Queue initially contain all the 0 distance, then now queue will contain all the 1 distance array or blocks, so that distance will become 2 as well. Okay, so distance will also gonna increase, and at last while my queue will become empty after doing this process again and again, I just return v. Okay guys, this is maybe somehow complex for you, because this is ultiwave bfs. You can also say this is like So you can see all the 90 tests case pass out. This is a hard problem, I think. Okay, medium, but it should be not that much easy for a beginner. But I hope you all understand the problem, understand the concept. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.